Unraveling the Mystery. Dull as a doornail. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that you might have come across in books, movies, or even everyday conversations. Dull as a doornail. This expression is a wonderful example of the colorful idioms that make learning English so interesting. Let's explore what it means, where it comes from, and how you can use it in your own conversations. The phrase, dull as a doornail, is used to describe something that is extremely boring or uninteresting. When we say something is as dull as a doornail, we're emphasizing that it lacks liveliness, excitement, or interest. It's important to note that dull here refers to the lack of intellectual stimulation or entertainment, rather than lack of sharpness. The idiom, dull as a doornail, has been in use for centuries, with its origins tracing back to at least the 14th century. It's believed that the term, doornail, refers to the large, heavy nails that were used in older wooden doors. These nails had their ends flattened or clinched to make them more secure, rendering them dull or less sharp. The phrase might have originated from the idea that these nails, being hammered flat, could not be used again, thus being deemed as uninteresting or lacking in any further purpose. Incorporating idioms like dull as a doornail into your conversations can make your English sound more fluent and natural. Here are a few examples of how to use it. Describing a book or movie. I tried reading that novel, but it was as dull as a doornail. I couldn't get past the first chapter. Talking about an event. The lecture was as dull as a doornail. I almost fell asleep halfway through. Sharing experiences about a place. I visited the museum, but it was as dull as a doornail. There wasn't much to see. Understanding and using phrases like dull as a doornail can add color and depth to your English communication. It's not just about the words themselves but the history and culture they carry with them. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom, and you feel more confident using it in your English conversations. Thanks for watching, and keep exploring the richness of the English language.